Hi everyone, I'm Gary, SEO head at Softrix, and welcome back to our channel. Before we dive into today's case study, let's talk about why the pest control industry is such an exciting business opportunity. The pest control industry is one of the fastest growing local service industries. On an average, a pest control business generates between 4 million to 4.5 million in annual revenue. Solo owner operators can earn anywhere from $135,000 to $250,000 per year, while small teams often generate $400,000 to $600,000 annually. Larger commercial pest control companies frequently exceed $1 million in yearly revenue, and high-performing individual technicians typically produce $150,000 to $200,000 in annual revenue. Today, I'm excited to share one of our successful SEO case studies where we helped Absolute Pest Solutions, a leading pest control company in Canada's Fraser Valley and Lower Mainland, significantly to improve their online visibility, keyword rankings, and organic traffic. So let's dive into it. The challenge. When Absolute Pest Solutions approached us, they were facing several SEO challenges. Their website wasn't ranking on the first page of Google for important keywords like absolute pest control, Abbotsford, other highly competitive local search terms. And on top of that, the website had accumulated poor quality backlinks, and competitors were using spam tactics and bot attacks, making it even harder to achieve sustainable rankings. And let's now talk about our SEO strategy. Our team created a complete SEO strategy that focused on three major areas. First, on-page SEO. We optimized AI-powered content, website images, title tags, meta descriptions, header tags, keyword-rich content, website structure, readability improvements, technical SEO issues identified through Ahrefs audits. Every page was optimized to improve both user experience and search engine visibility. Secondly, off-page SEO. We built authority through high-quality guest postings, valuable business listings, community and forum engagement, social bookmarking, profile creation, image submissions, high-authority backlinks, content promotion including videos and Web 2.0 properties. Our goal wasn't just more backlinks, it was better backlinks. Thirdly, continuous monitoring. SEO doesn't stop after optimization. We continuously monitored performance using Google Analytics, Google Search Console. This helped us track traffic, user behavior, keyword rankings, indexing issues, and technical improvements. The results. Now let's look at the results. Within the reporting period, the website generated approximately 4,000 active users and nearly 3,900 new users over the last 3 months. Organic search became one of the strongest traffic acquisition channels with substantial improvements across multiple sources. Several service pages became top performing landing pages, including Pest Control Burnaby, Mice and Rat Control, Residential Pest Control, Contact Page, and Spiders and Crawlers. These pages consistently attracted qualified visitors. Most importantly, the majority of visitors came from Canada, exactly matching the client's target market. Now let's talk about Google Search Console performance. Google Search Console showed remarkable growth. Total clicks increased from 71 in the previous period to 271 in the latest 3 months. Total impressions increased from 15.2 thousand to 36.1 thousand, showing significantly improved visibility across Google search results. The website also ranked for highly competitive keywords, including Absolute Pest Control Burnaby, Pest Control Abbotsford, Absolute Pest Solutions, Pest Control Mission BC. These rankings generated valuable organic exposure and qualified leads. Now let's talk about the final achievements. Overall, our SEO campaign helped in improving rankings for competitive keywords, increase monthly organic traffic, attract genuine visitors, improve bounce rate, increase page views and user sessions, deliver a better overall user experience, maintain ongoing website optimization and performance improvements. Let's talk about the output of this case study. It demonstrates that with the right SEO strategy, consistent optimization, and long-term execution, businesses can achieve sustainable organic growth even in highly competitive industries. If you're looking to increase your website traffic, improve keyword rankings, and generate more qualified leads, our team at Softrix is here to help. Thank you so much for watching.